Form 8919 is for workers who were treated as independent contractors, but who believe they were really employees. It lets you report and pay only your share of Social Security and Medicare tax, rather than the full self-employment tax a contractor pays. You generally use it after filing Form SS8 to ask the IRS to determine your status. Enter your name and Social Security number. List the firm that paid you, its employer identification number if you have it, a reason code from the instructions explaining why you qualify, and the wages you received that were not reported on a W-2. The form then computes your share of the tax. This protects your Social Security earnings record while limiting your tax to the employee share. Keep records of your work arrangement in case the IRS asks. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.